Ever feel like you're sinking in a sea of collections on your credit report? Well, fear not. Today we're diving into the step-by-step process of how to remove collections and regain control of your financial health. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey to financial freedom together. First things first, get a clear understanding of your credit report. It's crucial to know what's on it and how it affects your financial standing. Obtain a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Federal law guarantees you this right once every 12 months. Next, meticulously review your credit report. Look for any collections or negative items. If you spot any inaccuracies or discrepancies, it's time to take action. You have the right to dispute any incorrect information on your credit report. To initiate a dispute, draft a letter to the credit bureau that reported the inaccurate information. Be sure to include your name, address, the item you're disputing, and the reason for your dispute. Also, include any supporting documentation that helps prove your case. Once the dispute is filed, the credit bureau has 30 days to investigate your claim. If they find your dispute to be valid, they'll remove the collection from your credit report. If they don't lose hope. You can request a method of verification letter to find out how they verified the information. Now comes the negotiation part. If the collection is valid, you can try negotiating with the collection agency. They may agree to remove the collection from your credit report in exchange for payment. This is known as pay for delete. However, be aware that not all collection agencies will agree to this. Another option is to wait it out. Most collections fall off your credit report after 7 years. While this isn't the quickest solution, it's a viable option if all else fails. In conclusion, removing collections from your credit report involves obtaining and reviewing your credit report, disputing any inaccuracies, negotiating with collection agencies, or waiting for the collection to fall off. Remember, it's your right to ensure the information on your credit report is accurate and fair. Remember, financial health isn't about perfection, it's about persistence. So keep pushing, keep disputing, and keep negotiating. Your financial future is in your hands and you have the power to shape it. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial freedom. Until next time, keep striving for financial health and prosperity.